No birds in this tree. Nothing here either. Come on, birds. Where are you? That was definitely a bird! Huh? What is that?
Watch this, Katie. I call this move the funky flamingo.
Even I can dance better than that, Leo. Check this one out. It's called the Gorilla A-Go-Go.
Oh, hi, Hero. Want to join our dance-off?
Yeah, show us your moves. That must be the happy hero.
Oops. Looks like our dance-off will have to wait. Hi, Junior Ranger Farah. How's your bird-watching trip in New Guinea?
Leo, I just saw the strangest thing.
Is that a bird?
I think so. At least it sounds like a bird.
Maybe the computer can tell us more.
Good idea. Stay on the line, Farah. See you later, Hero.
It's not just any bird. It's a superb bird of paradise. It's a bird that lives in the rainforests of Indonesia, where it eats insects, animals, and fruits. The females have reddish-brown feathers, but the males look very different. Their feathers are a super intense shade of black, which makes it look like their blue feathers glow in the dark.
But why does the bird I found look so different? What if it's injured or trying to scare predators?
There's only one way to find out. We're heading your way. Ranger out. There's no time to waste.
New Guinea, here we come.
Ranger Leo all set. Woohoo! Junior Rangers to the rescue! Platypus 1, activate! Here we go!
Over here, guys!
What's he doing?
Not sure, but I think he's building a nest.
At least he's not hurt, but we can still help him with his nest. Let's find some twigs and leaves. I guess he doesn't want any twigs or leaves.
Oh, now you tell us.
If you're not building a nest, then what are you doing, Mr. Bird?
What kind of bird is it, Farah?
That's not a bird. That's...
Hello, Junior Rangers.
Ranger Rocky!
Ranger Rocky!
What are you doing in New Guinea, Ranger Rocky?
Practicing some new bird calls, of course.
Ranger Rocky, I found a superb bird of paradise, but he was acting really strange earlier.
And now he's building a nest or something, but he won't let us help.
Let's call Ranger Joey, the ranger who's no stranger when it comes to the nest. I mean, the best ideas. Hello, Ranger Joey.
Oh, hi, Ranger Rocky.
The Junior Rangers found a male superb bird of paradise who's acting in a most unusual way.
Oh, that's because he's trying to find a girlfriend. Unlike some other birds, this male bird is not trying to build a nest. He's cleaning the area to get a female to visit. You see, there are a lot more male superb birds of paradise than females. So he has to do everything he can to impress her. And the first step is preparing a dance floor.
A dance floor?
That's right. Once he has cleared space for a dance floor, he'll call out to any nearby females. Then, when she arrives, he dances. The dance is where he shows off his superb feathers and does his best to impress. He'll even snap his tail feathers, just like how we snap our fingers.
Thanks, Ranger Joey.
You're welcome. Ranger out.
Ranger out.
All this time we thought he was making a nest, but he just wanted to clear everything to make a dance floor.
Well, we can help with that.
Let's make him the best dance floor ever.
Perfect!
What do you think, Mr. Bird? He says it's not just perfect, it's superb.
Look, it's a female bird.
You've got this, Mr. Bird.
Let's get this party started.
Good job, Mr. Bird.
Get into the groove, everybody.
Ranger Rocky, you can stop dancing now. Mission accomplished. I'm glad we helped the two superb birds of paradise find each other.
Hop, hop, here we go.
What are you doing, Katie?
I'm having a dance-off with Hero.
Yay! Shake those tail feathers!
Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Finally! Back to animal watching. Whoa!
What are you up to, Leo?
Check it out, Katie.
I'm such an adorable bunny. Let's see how it looks on Hero.
Great idea. Hero, come boy.
Hero?
There you are, Hero. Look at this. Hi, Junior Ranger Zari.
Leo, I'm trapped in the toilet. A big bird is blocking the exit.
Oh, is that a peacock?
Stay calm, Zari. Let's first find out what type of bird it is.
Stay on the line, Zari. See you later, Hero.
There we go. It's a green peafowl. Green peafowls live in the forests of Southeast Asia. They can also be spotted in some urban areas, roaming the streets and parks in search of food. In Singapore, the largest number of green peafowls are found in Sentosa. Males are called peacocks and females are called peahens. Both males and females look similar. They have glossy emerald green necks, long legs, and pointy crests. Their cheeks are yellow and they have dark gray beaks. The main difference between males and females is that peacocks have bigger and longer tails compared to the peahens. The green peacock's stunning tail feathers are blue and green. His tail opens like a fan, and the shapes on it look like eyes on display.
His tail is really beautiful. But it's so big! I can't get past it.
Don't worry, Zari. We'll be right over to help. Ranger out. Let's get going.
Time to fly!
Ranger Leo all set. Woohoo! Junior Rangers to the rescue! Platypus 1, activate! Here we go!
Wow! It's so pretty!
Katie, Leo, I don't know how to get the peacock to move. He keeps staring at himself in the mirror.
Mirror? Oh, I know what to do. Over here, Peacock! Looky, looky over here!
Come on out, Peacock!
It worked! Free at last!
Whoa! Ah!
Oh no! Hang on, Leo!
Ah! Easy there! Stop! Help! Whoa!
Gotcha!
Ranger Rocky!
Hello, Junior Rangers. Why was a green peacock chasing you, Leo? Good thing I was around when I heard it screech.
Leo was luring the peacock away from the toilet so I could get out.
But he started attacking my mirror.
The peacock seems to be drawn to mirrors, but we're not sure why.
Let's call our friend Ranger Joey, the ranger who's no stranger to big, angry birds. Hello, Ranger Joey.
Oh, hi, Ranger Rocky.
The Junior Rangers have stumbled upon a green peafowl that seems fascinated with mirrors.
I see. Well, green peafowl are territorial animals, known to be attracted to shiny and reflective surfaces like mirrors. Sometimes they may mistake their own reflection in the mirror for an enemy.
Maybe that's why it was chasing me.
Perhaps. Even though green peafowl have large bodies, they are still able to run quite fast and fly short distances. They fly up and roost in trees at night. When a peacock is looking to make friends with a peahen, he will back towards the peahen and swing around to surprise her with his magnificent display of his tail feathers. He spreads his train of tail feathers and shakes it to impress her. In his excitement, the peacock also makes very loud calls that are even louder than a rooster's crow.
Thanks for the information, Ranger Joey.
You're welcome. Ranger out.
Ranger out.
Do you think the peacock's calling out for a girlfriend?
You may be right, Junior Ranger Katie.
We can help him find one. Let's spread out and search for a peahen.
Any green peahens here? No.
Nothing here. Any luck there, buddy?
I found a peahen! Bring the peacock over to the garden.
I'm on it. Jetpack, activate. Follow me, Peacock. He's coming.
Over here, Leo. Woohoo! Yeah, you did it!
Mission accomplished. I'm glad we found a peahen for the green peafowl.
Hero! Here, boy! Look, Hero!
Wait for me. I want to see it too.
Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Wow! Look at you little guys go! Crikey! What a cool-looking spider! Yeah! Shake your booty, spider!
Remember, when the music stops, freeze.
Got it, Katie. Join us, Hero. We're playing musical statues.
You're out, Leo.
But Hero bumped into me.
But he's standing still now. You're gonna have to wait till the game's over.
Aw, no fair.
It's just a game, Leo.
Hi, Junior Ranger Kyle.
G'day, Leo. I'm here in Australia, and I just came across this dancing spider.
Wow, a dancing spider? It's so colorful.
But be careful. It might be venomous.
Could you help me find out what kind of spider it is?
Of course we can. To the computer.
Stay on the line, Kyle. See you later, Hero.
There it is. The animal Kyle found is a peacock spider. The peacock spider is venomous and uses its venom to catch its prey. But the venom is not harmful to humans. Peacock spiders are widespread across the southern half of Australia and can live in different habitats. There are 90 species of peacock spiders. They're small, about the size of a grain of rice. They have multiple eyes and ninja-like jumping skills, as they can jump as far as 40 times the length of their own bodies.
Wow, a ninja spider! That's even more awesome! I see another spider coming. Hey, stop it! What are you doing?
What's going on, Kyle?
The brown one's attacking the colorful one. I think I'm gonna need help here.
We're on our way, Kyle. No time to waste.
See you downstairs.
Ranger Leo all set. Woohoo! Junior Rangers to the rescue! Platypus 1, activate! Here we go!
Hey, guys!
Hi, Kyle.
Hey, cut it out!
They're still fighting? Whoa, these spiders are small.
Small and aggressive. Or maybe they're having a dance-off.
Let's see if I can find some information on...
Ah! Get off! It's there!
Get off!
Don't hit it!
Get it off!
Phew! You sure are a handful.
Now you can look for information, Katie.
Just give me a moment to recover.
Someone seems shaken up.
Ranger Rocky! What are you doing here?
Hello, Junior Rangers. I was nearby studying koalas until I saw you all jumping around like you had ants in your pants.
More like spiders on our pants.
This brown spider keeps attacking the peacock spider, and we don't know why.
Let's ask our friend, Ranger Joey, the ranger who's no stranger to creepy crawlies in a crisis. Hello, Ranger Joey.
Oh, hi, Ranger Rocky.
Our friends here have a situation with a peacock spider. Any advice?
Well, peacock spiders come in a rainbow of colors. The male peacock spiders have black and white hind legs with vibrant red, orange, white, and blue coloration on their bodies. Females lack this color and have a plain brown color. Peacock spiders get their name from the males being brightly colored and their mating dances similar to a peacock. They dance like their life depends on it because it literally does. Male peacock spiders would stick up their legs and dance for the female they're trying to impress. But the female will eat the male if rejected. So they must be very careful when executing their dance.
Thanks, Ranger Joey.
You're welcome. Ranger out.
Ranger out.
So that's what's happening. The brown one is also a peacock spider, and it's female. It's attacking the colorful spider, which is male. And he was dancing for her. but he failed to impress her.
Poor Spider. You just need the confidence to try again. Then maybe you'll win her heart.
Besides, dancing takes some practice too. That's it. Maybe if we all dance, he'll be confident to dance again.
All right, let's do it.
It's not working.
Come on, do what we do. Can you even see us?
Maybe it's because we're out of sync. What if we have the spider focus on just one of us?
And how about dressing up?
Great idea, Ranger Rocky. Who wants to dress up in colorful leaves? Not me.
No thanks.
Me, pick me. I know all the moves. Oh, I look amazing.
Everyone get ready.
Spidey, go!
Go, Spidey, go!
You did it!
Yay! Woo!
Bye, Spideys!
Mission accomplished. I'm glad we managed to help and dance with the peacock spider.
Come on, Leo!
Woohoo! I'm coming!
Sorry, Leo. You're out again.
Whoops! Oh well.
You're not mad at me this time, Leo?
Nah, it's just a game. It's not like my life depends on it.
Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers.